Do you remember the verb prendre? Yes, we learned the verb prendre and its conjugation in the previous session. So, shall we recap? So, what does prendre mean? It means to take. Shall we write down the conjugation? For je, it is je prends. Je prends. For tu, it is tu prends. It is the same. For il, it is il prend. The spelling is important here, so kindly take note of the spelling. For elle, it is elle prend. So, je prends, tu prends, il prend, elle prend. For nous, do you remember what is the prendre conjugation for nous? It is prenons. Prenons. Nous prenons. For vous, it is vous prenez. Vous prenez. For il, it is il prend, but the spelling is P-R-E-N-N-E-N-T. For elle, it is the same, elle prend. So, this was the conjugation for the prendre verb. It means to take. So, say it along with me once again. Je prends. What does je prends mean? It means I take. Je prends. Tu prends. What does tu prends mean? It means you take. Il prend. What does it mean? It means he takes. Elle prend. Elle prend means she takes. Nous prenons. Nous prenons. What does nous prenons mean? Means we take. Vous prenez. Vous prenez. It means you take. Il prend and elle prend. It means they take. So this is the conjugation for prendre. Now we are going to learn another verb which is similar to prendre. Just like how we saw verbs voir and devoir, for prendre we are going to learn another verb which is comprendre. Comprendre. It means to understand. Comprendre. So, the conjugation here is similar to the conjugation of prendre. Prendre means to take and comprendre means to understand. So, the conjugation is similar. However, you have com, com in front of it. So, what was the conjugation for prendre? Je prends, right? Now here we have com before it. So, je comprends. Je comprends. It is easy, isn't it? If you know the conjugation for prendre, comprendre is very easy. So, je comprends. For tu, it was again prendre. And since the verb is comprendre, you will say je comprends. Tu comprends. Tu comprends. For il, yes, it is il comprend. For elle, it is Elle comprend. It's very simple, isn't it? Just take the conjugation for prendre and add com before it. You will get the conjugation for comprendre. Now, for nous, what was the prendre conjugation for nous? It was prenons. Nous prenons. So here you will say nous comprenons. Nous comprenons. For vous, do you remember? It was prenez. Vous prenez. Since it is the comprendre verb, you will add vous comprenez. Vous comprenez. For il, it is il comprend. Il comprend. For elle, it is again elle comprend. Comprend. So the verb is comprendre. Comprendre. It means to understand. Now the conjugation is similar to the verb prendre. Prendre verb we have already learnt. The conjugation is similar. It's just that these three alphabets are added in front. So it is similar to the prendre conjugation. So je comprends. It means I understand. I understand. Je comprends. Tu comprends. It means you understand. Il comprend. Yes, it means he understands. Elle comprend. She understands. So, je comprends, tu comprends, il comprend, elle comprend. Nous comprenons. Nous comprenons. It means we understand. Nous comprenons. Vous comprenez. Vous comprenez. It means you understand. I hope you know the difference between this. This also means you understand. This also means you understand. But this is used in the plural form and this is used in the singular form. Now, vous is sometimes also used in the singular form when you are speaking to someone of respect or someone who deserves respect. Next, for il, it is il comprenant. It means they understand. Elle comprenant. That also means they understand. So, this is the conjugation for the verb comprendre. Je comprends, tu comprends, il comprend, elle comprend. Nous comprenons, vous comprenez, il comprenons, and elle comprenons. So, do you understand? Vous comprenez? So, I am asking you if you understand. So, did you understand the conjugation of comprendre? So, it is similar to the previous verb that we learned. So, keep practicing the verbs. These are all important verbs that we use in our daily language.